Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. David posted a question on the blog. He says, "Hey, Mindy, can you trade options in an Apex account?" Now, I've been asked this many different times over the last year or so I wanted to make a quick video just to confirm there are no options in Apex. It's only futures. So you can't even trade stocks. It's only futures contracts. That is it. That being said, there are a whole variety of futures that you can trade, everything from ags to interest rates, to metals, of course, indexes, and even currencies. So strictly futures, that is it. But in my opinion, you guys know this, well worth it. As a reminder, that Apex sale that I've been mentioning, it's 80% off the smaller accounts and just $40 for the evaluation on any of those three biggest evaluation accounts. That sale is ending tonight at midnight Eastern time zone. So if you want to grab a few more while that sale is still on, there is a link and coupon code for you down below. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.